This video was shot at Weifang Tianying Co. Ltd. Is a fully integrated enterprise, specializing in the design, sales, and installation of seismic support systems, pipe hangers, and related products. Our end-to-end capabilities ensure seamless service from concept to delivery, empowering clients with innovative solutions tailored to their needs through strategic partnerships with certified, cooperative factories. We leverage cutting-edge technology to guarantee precision and reliability. Our cooperative factories prioritize safety and compliance, holding FMUL and CE certifications, underscoring our commitment to international quality benchmarks. Available 24/7, our team partners with clients to deliver tailored solutions. Guided by the philosophy technology creates a SAFI world, we strive for mutual success through innovation and dependability. Reach out to explore how we can support your projects with precision engineered solutions.